आ जाओ बच्चों, आज सीखते हैं हिंदी में गिनतियाँ 30 से 40 तक। Learn 20 to 30 numbers in Hindi and in English. Thirty. 30 cars. 31. 31 cars. 32. 32 cars. 33. 33 cars. 34. 34 cars. 35. 35 cars. 36. 36 cars. 37. 70 cars. 38. 38 cars. 39. 39 cars. 40. 40 cars.